Did you know that the average modern vehicle is usually scrapped somewhere between 150,000 and 200,000 miles? Yet most of the Chinese drivers manage to push their cars beyond 500,000? Most cars do not die because the engine suddenly explodes. They die because owners ignore small problems, skip maintenance, overheat the engine, and drive the car hard every single day. Chinese drivers, taxi operators, and fleet owners have become famous for making ordinary cars survive unbelievable mileage because they follow simple but extremely disciplined methods. Welcome back to the Mechanical Special. In this video, we are going to talk about 13 Chinese methods to make your car last over 500,000 miles. Some of these tricks may sound simple, but they can save you thousands of dollars in repairs and help your engine, transmission, and suspension survive far longer than most people think is possible. Let's explore them one by one. Hack number 13, thermal discipline. One of the biggest mistakes most drivers make is starting the engine and immediately driving aggressively. Chinese fleet drivers know that the first few minutes after startup are when the engine experiences the most wear. Professional high-mileage drivers never put a car into gear immediately after a cold start. They allow the oil to reach a functional viscosity and the internal components to expand evenly. This warm-up ritual is not just about the engine idling. It extends to the first 5 miles of driving, where RPMs are kept low. When you drive a cold car hard, you are essentially forcing mismatched metal parts to grind against each other, creating micro tears in the seals that eventually lead to mysterious leaks at 150,000 miles. By practicing thermal discipline, you ensure that the engine operates in its sweet spot for 99% of its life, effectively doubling the lifespan of every internal bearing. This habit requires patience, but it is the difference between an engine that burns oil at 200,000 and one that stays bone dry until 500,000. Hack number 12. Change the oil much earlier than the manufacturer recommends. Many American car manufacturers now recommend oil changes every 7,500 to 10,000 miles. But Chinese mechanics often believe that is far too long if you drive in heavy traffic, dusty conditions, hot climates, or make short trips. In those situations, the engine oil breaks down much faster because it is exposed to more heat, fuel dilution, dirt, and moisture. Chinese taxi operators often change their oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, even if the owner's manual says they can wait longer. That may sound excessive, but engine rebuilds can easily cost between $3,000 and $8,000, while an oil change costs a tiny fraction of that. Dirty oil loses its ability to lubricate moving parts, cool the engine, and keep contaminants suspended. Once the oil starts breaking down, the engine begins wearing out much faster. Hack number 11, the chassis armor. You can have an engine that runs for a century, but if the subframe rots, the car is scrap. In China's humid southern provinces and salty northern winters, they use chassis armor, and it is far more than just a dealer undercoat scam. Professional chassis armor is a multi-layered application of high molecular weight rubberized bitumen and anti-corrosion resins that creates a permanent, flexible barrier against the environment. Unlike thin, oil-based sprays, this thick armor provides a physical shield against macadam impact. Beyond rust prevention, the density of the material serves as an acoustic dampener, reducing high-frequency vibrations that lead to the loosening of chassis bolts and suspension bushings over hundreds of thousands of miles. This structural preservation is why you will see 20-year-old cars in Beijing with frames that look like they just rolled off the assembly line. Hack number 10, smooth shifting practice. One of the smartest Chinese driving habits for making a car last over 500,000 miles is practicing smooth shifting. Many drivers are very rough with the transmission without realizing it. In automatic cars, people may shift from reverse to drive before the vehicle has fully stopped. All of these habits create unnecessary stress on the transmission. Chinese drivers always make sure every shift is smooth and controlled. They allow the car to come to a complete stop before changing from drive to reverse or reverse to drive. They also avoid sudden downshifts at high RPM because that can create extra heat and wear inside the gearbox. In manual vehicles, smooth clutch engagement is extremely important because riding the clutch or dumping it too hard can wear out the clutch disc, pressure plate, and flywheel much faster. A clutch replacement can easily cost between $800 and $2,000, while a transmission rebuild may cost several $1,000s. Drivers who shift gently often notice smoother performance, fewer drivetrain noises, and lower repair costs over time. Hack number 9. Use of magnetic oil drain plug. One popular Chinese trick for extending engine life is installing a magnetic oil drain plug. This is a small modification, but it can have a big impact over time. Every engine creates tiny metal particles as internal parts wear down. Those microscopic particles circulate through the oil and can slowly damage bearings, pistons, cylinder walls, and other engine components. A magnetic drain plug catches those metal particles before they continue circulating through the engine. It also works like an early warning system. If you suddenly notice a large amount of metal stuck to the drain plug during an oil change, it may indicate internal engine wear before the problem becomes serious. Many drivers ignore tiny warning signs until it is too late, but Chinese mechanics often inspect the magnetic drain plug at every oil change. A simple $10 to $20 drain plug could potentially help detect a failing bearing or timing chain problem before it destroys the engine. Hack number 8. Never ignore cooling system maintenance. Chinese drivers who want extremely high mileage know that overheating is one of the fastest ways to destroy an engine. An engine normally operates around 195 to 220 degrees Fahrenheit, but once temperatures go above 240 degrees Fahrenheit for extended periods, the risk of major damage increases dramatically. Chinese drivers know that the cooling system should not be ignored just because the car seems fine. They often flush the coolant every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, replace aging hoses before they burst, and inspect the radiator for dirt and blockages. Chinese fleet operators also pay close attention to water pumps, thermostats, and radiator fans because a small cooling system problem can turn into a complete engine failure very quickly. Many engine rebuild shops report that overheating is one of the most common causes of catastrophic engine damage. Spending a few $100s on preventive cooling system maintenance can save you thousands later. Hack number 7. Follow drain and fill protocol. One of the most important Chinese methods for making a car last over 500,000 miles is following a strict drain and fill protocol. Many drivers never service the transmission until it starts slipping, jerking, or shifting badly, but by then, the damage is often already done. Chinese drivers know that transmission fluid breaks down over time because of heat, friction, and clutch material. A drain and fill service removes part of the old fluid and replaces it with fresh fluid without shocking the transmission. Chinese drivers often repeat the drain and fill process every 30,000 miles because it gradually refreshes the fluid and keeps the transmission cleaner over time. Fresh transmission fluid helps cool the transmission, lubricate moving parts, and maintain smooth shifting. Dirty fluid loses its protective properties and can cause overheating, harsh shifts, and internal wear. Hack number 6. Check tire pressure before every drive. In the world of high-mileage mastery, the tires are seen as the feet of the vehicle, and their pressure is the ultimate indicator of the machine's balance and grounding. Professional drivers who hit the 500,000-mile mark rarely rely on a dashboard warning light. Instead, they perform a manual cold pressure check before the first drive of the day. Research has shown that driving on tires that are underinflated by just 10 psi can reduce tire life by as much as 15% and lower fuel economy by around 3 to 5%. By maintaining the exact manufacturer-recommended PSI every single morning, you ensure a consistent contact patch that optimizes fuel atomization and prevents the harmonic vibrations that eventually rattle a chassis apart. It is a 3-minute ritual that preserves the entire drivetrain's efficiency, transforming a simple piece of rubber into a high-performance stabilizer that protects the car's structural integrity for decades. Hack number 5. Follow the repair it before it breaks philosophy. One of the biggest reasons Chinese drivers are able to make cars last such a long time is because they do not wait for parts to fail completely before replacing them. They follow a repair it before it breaks philosophy, which means replacing worn or aging parts before they can damage something more expensive. For example, replacing an old radiator hose before it bursts may cost less than $50, but waiting until it fails could cause the engine to overheat and destroy the head gasket, turning a minor maintenance task into a total vehicle loss, ensuring that the engine never experiences a high-stress failure. You are essentially paying for the health of the machine today to avoid paying for its funeral tomorrow, treating every scheduled service as an investment in the car's future legacy. It is the ultimate secret to automotive immortality, replacing the wear items while they are still functional to protect the core items that are irreplaceable. Hack number 4. Wash the underside of the car to prevent rust. Most people only wash the visible parts of the car, but Chinese drivers in coastal areas or muddy regions know that the underside is just as important. Dirt, mud, moisture, and road salt can slowly eat away at the frame, brake lines, fuel lines, suspension parts, and exhaust system. Rust is one of the biggest reasons older cars get scrapped, even if the engine still runs perfectly. A rusty frame can make the vehicle unsafe, while rusty brake lines can become dangerous. Chinese drivers often wash underneath the car after driving in mud, rain, or snow because trapped moisture accelerates corrosion. Some drivers also apply rust-proof coatings underneath the car every year. Rust prevention can easily add years to a vehicle's life, especially if you plan to keep the car for a very long time. Protecting the underside is just as important as protecting the engine. Hack number 1. Parking technique. Most drivers overlook the moment they turn the car off, but the parking technique used by high-mileage masters is a critical ritual designed to protect the transmission's delicate parking pawl from unnecessary stress. When you simply throw a car into park on an incline and let it roll until it stops, you are forcing a tiny metal pin to hold the entire 4,000-pound weight of your car, which can lead to binding and eventual mechanical fracture. The professional sequence involves shifting the car into neutral, engaging the parking brake fully. This load-neutral approach ensures that the transmission components remain under zero tension while the vehicle is stationary. That's all for this video. Which of these Chinese methods do you already use on your car? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want your car to last as long as possible, subscribe to the channel because we have many more videos coming that could save you thousands of dollars in repairs.